Hello and welcome to Omnis Technologies. I'm Ryan and today I'm going to show you how to organize your Gmail inbox with filters and labels. So I'll go ahead and open my inbox here. And if you have your Gmail set up with these tabs like it comes with default, I recommend turning those off. I just don't think they're very helpful, and I'd rather have all my my entire inbox in one place, kind of with my emails in the order that I receive them. I just think that works better, and I don't think these tabs are particularly helpful or work very well. So to turn those off, we'll click the gear, configure inbox, and just uncheck all of these. So now I just have all my emails right where I need them. So now that you have all your emails in one place and in the order you received them, you can start organizing them with filters and labels. And for this example, I'm going to filter out emails from Industry Week, which is a newsletter I'm subscribed to. And you can see they send me multiple emails a week, so it's kind of getting in the way of some of my other messages, and I'd like to just set them into their own files so I can access them when I'm ready to read them. So how we're going to do this is up in the top right, we're going to click on the gear, go to settings, up here to filters and blocked addresses, create a new filter. I'm going to type from Industry Week, and then just to be safe, I'll put it in the has the words section too. I'm going to create the filter, and I'm going to click skip the inbox. So that's going to take them out of my primary inbox, but they'll still go into their own folder in this menu over here under the labels, which I will have to push apply label, new label, and I'll type Industry Week, create the label, and I'm going to click the last one so it will take all the messages that are already in my inbox and put them into this labels folder. So I'll create the filter. So the filter is created. I'll go back to my inbox, and now they're out of my primary inbox here. They've all moved into this Industry Week folder over here. Now another way you could use labels is to kind of draw attention, so it's almost the opposite if you want to highlight certain things in your inbox. So if I want to highlight everything that says Omnis Technologies, this is what I would do. Similar things, I'd go to settings, filters, create a new filter from omnistech.com, and then has the words Omnis Technologies. I'm going to create the filter, and I'm going to leave that unchecked because I still want them in my primary inbox, but I want them highlighted. So I'm going to hit a label, choose label, another new label. We'll just put Omnis Technologies here, create, and I'm going to apply that to everything that's already in my inbox, and I'll create the filter. Give it a minute to create here, go back to my inbox, and I'll see that there's an Omnis Technologies label there. And I can take this a step further. I go over here to my label section, Omnis Technologies, and choose a label color. I'll choose this green, that looks pretty Omnis-y. And then I can immediately see when I have Omnis emails in my inbox. So you can scroll through a few of those. Another one. And likewise, if I wanted to see all my Omnis Technologies emails in one place, they're all right here in my labels. So I hope that was helpful, and if you have any more questions about Gmail or your inbox, you can reach out at techsupport@omnistech.com. Thanks.